I have already set my face with my basic summer foundation routine, and now I'm going to use my Urban Decay Electric palette. I hope everyone has bought this palette. I believe it's on sale now. If it's not on sale, that means they discontinued it. I say that because it has all of the highlight colors that are trending at the moment. This is the perfect palette for the summer. I'm debating what color to use because I have a lot of colors in these outfits that are on this palette, but I think I would like to apply Trash, which is the neon yellow. To make the eyeshadow more dominant, I'm going to add my NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk. Applying my Laura Mercier in the shade Translucent underneath my eye to prevent any fallout that happens from my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to wipe that highlight away. Just using a regular brush with no makeup, I'm going to touch up underneath my eye, make it more even. Now to apply the eyeliner, I'm using my Sigma Beauty. This is the Wicked Gel Eyeliner with my Sigma pencil, and this is E05. I haven't used this highlighter in a long time. This used to be my favorite highlighter from Urban Decay, and it is Afterglow in the shade Sin. I'm also going to hit my corner of my eye, of course. To set today, I'm using my matte NYX Finish Spray. Spray that all over my face. Since I use Sin under my eyes and on my waterline crease, I'm going to just use that again to highlight my cheekbones and my nose. I also like to put highlighter on my collarbone and on my shoulders if I'm wearing a top that permits. For lips, I'm going to start with my NYX Professional Lip Liner. I've used this a lot. I think it's kind of my favorite color right now, and it is Urban Cafe. As I blend that in, I'm going to use my NYX Turned Up, and I've used this a lot too, and the shade is Stone. You could go for the matte lip, but I want to add my coconut oil lip gloss from the hair store because I want it to be a glossy look this time. Get my thumb right underneath. And here we have the final look. I paired this eyeshadow with this cute little jacket I got from a boutique online. I just put my hair to the side, added little curls to it. I can part it down the middle if I'd like. And I can do anything with this look because all the focus is on the eyeshadow. It's very quick, so I hope you guys try this look out. Comment below what you think and make sure you like and subscribe. Love ya.